Hey everybody, it's Up Chuck Chops. Now it's time to put the head on. I cleaned it, it kind of discolored it. Shouldn't have really hurt anything, it's just how it looks. Gotta plop it on there. Find my torque specs. And then torque it down in the pattern it's supposed to be. Alright. My fingers don't fit. Your fingers don't fit. You gotta improvise. It's not going well. Alright. The book says these will be torqued to 14.5 foot-pounds. That is not very much. My torque wrench doesn't read that low. So, in a crisscross pattern, I'm going to get them snug, but not over tightened. At this point, I don't see any reason why I shouldn't put that into there and start buttoning things up. Let's go to it. I think this video making thing is working. I couldn't remember where my motor mount bolts went, so I went back and watched my video. And the info was there, and now I know. Now we can put the engine in. I'm going to attempt to put this bolt in first and hold it still because it has a threaded bung on the other side. Meaning I don't have to hold an engine, a bolt, and a nut all at one time. The smaller bolts are 13 mil, the big ones are 17. This is considerably heavier like this. Ouch. Maybe I should have left the head off. Alright. Precariously perched. Get that out. Oh yeah. Oh, that hurts. Oh yeah. It will just sit there. we might be having a change of plans. I'm closer to having this one in than I am the front one. Maybe if I just slide it through, it'll hold. All or nothing, of course. This is what it would pay to have friends. Okay, one bolt's in. If I can rotate, bring in here. If I can rotate this engine up, slide that bolt through. These groans are real, people. There we go. Okay, she's hanging. Woo! Notice how I'm using the backward stroke wrench tap. That's so I don't put too much heat on it. All right. Those are in. I just got to get them tightened up now. Now it's time for the chain. When I put it on here, the direction the chain drives, the clip on the master link needs to be facing this way, with the solid side in the direction of travel. I have cleaned and lubed this chain. There is said master link. Come on now. I hate these things. I mean, they're great, don't get me wrong, but bicycles, mini bikes, all this stuff just tend to irritate the crap out of me when I mess with them master links. Now I still have to tighten this up. That's part of the reason I'm putting the chain on, so I can step on that back brake. It'll hold the engine still while I tighten that nut. Much better. I did not see a torque spec for this bolt, but it was super tight. I don't think it needs to be that tight. I think it was over tight. Extension and try to save my knuckles. Okay, tight enough. The engine's in. I think that's just about going to do it for this video. For real this time. I'm going to do some more work, quit playing with the camera, and just try and bang some work out. And then I might get a shot of that at the end. But for right now, I'm going to jam some tunes and work on a motorcycle. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. I lied. I gave it one more shot of the sauce, and it fired off. The kill switch worked this time. Ah, did you hear that? I think it is a carburation issue, because I had the fuel off the whole 15 seconds it ran. Looky there. Still full of fuel. The fuel filter. Maybe I'll have to use that eBay carb I bought. Alright, the good news is it's together enough to run off ether. The bad news is it has to run off ether. I think she's looking pretty sassy. We'll just have to revisit the old carburetor later on. I knew I should have filmed that. Oh well, win some, lose some.